What is friggin' up, friends? I have not sat down and filmed a video in what feels like forever, so I'm really excited. So if you guys didn't know, I was just in New York during Fashion Week, and it was a really cool experience. I'm really happy that I went, but I'm also really happy that I'm home. And I wanted to talk to you guys about trends I was seeing just out and about, and this was in like Soho area where a lot of like the fashion girlies were out and about going to shows, but it was also kind of during times when it was just, you know, like people dressing up, not really like New York Fashion Week people, and I feel like that's fun to talk about those trends. So these are just trends I was seeing in New York during Fashion Week. I'm still gonna have a spring 2022 trends video coming soon, but I figured I was just there, let's talk about it. I really tried to get like footage of people walking on the streets wearing these trends, but by the time I would see someone again wearing the same thing or kind of realize that it was like a prevalent trend people were wearing, I kind of missed my opportunity. So I will scour the internet and find photos of what I'm talking about online, but let's just get into it. So the first thing I saw over and over again was mixing patterns. This is such a fun trend, and it was so perfect for like getting dressed for New York Fashion Week. It can make an outfit feel very fashion forward without having to try too hard. I think the key when pairing two patterns together is just to find one common color in each pattern, and then most of the time it'll work out. Also, think of like a very basic pattern, whether that's a stripe, a plaid, a checkerboard, polka dots. They're just patterns that your eye looks at it and immediately knows what's going on. You can think of that as your base pattern and then pair it with like a super funky pattern, whether that's like swirly or a graphic print, something like that. My tips on mixing and matching patterns: I really do like mixing basically like polka dots or plaid with just about anything. I think of those as like a neutral now. So I was seeing these mixing patterns with obviously pants and tops and dresses and skirts, but also with the accessories, whether that is your bag, your tights, your coat, your hat, whatever. There was a lot of ways to do this, and it was really fun to see everything like that. So do I even call these trends? So something else that I just saw that was really prevalent on the streets were loose matching sets. So if you guys didn't see, last spring I think I became obsessed with thrifting men's pajama sets, like the button-up and PJ pants, and wearing them out and about. And it was this kind of look. I really didn't see any plaid matching sets like that, but it's the button-up oversized top with a pair of loose pants. A lot of people were wearing these with patterns or without. Another trend we'll talk about in a bit, but like the pleats, that fabric, the like accordion pleated style fabric as double sets. I love these sets in a more like baggy style, but I think they also could be really cute, a little more fitted if that's what you're comfortable with. So many loose matching sets though. And then with the loose matching sets, something else I'm gonna count in that category was like denim on denim or denim sets. And even last spring I talked about denim on denim, and obviously things take a while to get like more mainstream, but on runways we were seeing a lot of denim on denim back then, and now we're seeing a little bit more in real life, and that's really exciting to me because I've been wearing denim on denim in videos. I just haven't felt confident enough, or like not crazy enough to wear it in public, but after seeing it on the streets in New York, I was like, okay, this is ready. And then also when I met up with Izzy Poopy on TikTok one night, she was wearing a really cute denim on denim set, and once I saw her out and about and absolutely rocking it, I was like, okay, it's time to like wear my denim on denim. I don't know why I was just so scared of the Canadian, oh my god, and Izzy's Canadian, but I was so scared of the Canadian tuxedo for so long because in college, like if we wore jeans and a denim jacket, we would always like make fun of each other, and we'd be wearing like black jeans and a blue denim jacket because we were so scared of the Canadian tuxedo, and now I fully am obsessed with it. Something else I saw a ton were feathers. I talked about this in I think my last trends video, that feathers were going to be super in, and they definitely are, whether it's feather trim like on the top of tube tops or feather trims on your wrists or ankles, or in a complete feather dress. They are definitely in style. The other night I was looking on eBay for certain trends, and there were so many tops and dresses with feathers, so make sure to check out eBay, because the thing with feathers is you really can't cheap out on it or it'll look just cheap. The feathers have to be like fully covering the dress or skirt if you're getting like a fully covered one and not just the trim. If you have patches of where there's no feathers, it's gonna look god awful and like a little kid's art project. Honestly, you're probably better off making it yourself, but seriously check eBay, check your thrift stores, Depop, whatever. I'm sure they have a ton of feather options. I really like the feathers too. I think it's a little bit overdone right now, and I have a feather tube top I haven't wanted to wear because I've seen so many influencer girlies literally wearing their feather tube top, and I have a complex where it makes me not want to wear it, but I'm not getting rid of it. I still really like it, and it's just staying in my drawer until it tones down a little bit. Another thing I kept seeing were bold color accessories and accents. There were a lot of like neon-esque colors. The way Amanda and I could not like get away from basically like lime vibrant green. To me, that green is like Zara green. Like if Zara makes something, they're gonna also make it in this green color, and it was everywhere on the streets, so it made me not like it so much. And before, I really didn't have like an opinion on it. Also, like a green blazer. I saw that same like green blazer on so many people. I don't know what it is, but everybody wanted this bright vibrant green blazer and everybody was wearing it, which is just funny, and it's like nobody else is picking up on that but me, I think. But I did really like the like bold colored accessories and accents and like mixing and matching the colors. So a lot of the times people were wearing shoes in a bag that like didn't match, you know, like the fashion rule where it's like, oh, your shoes and your handbag have to match, so if you have black shoes, you wear a black bag. People weren't doing that. It would be like, if you're wearing black shoes, you'd have like an orange bag, or even wearing something like an orange bag and green shoes, and then the rest of your outfit is pretty neutral. I really like the look of that because I'm not a big color girl with my outfits, but something like an accent here and there I think is really cute. It made me wish I had brought like a colored purse with me. I don't own a colored purse though, so it didn't matter anyways. Like a neon colored purse. And I'm really liking, I saw it like here and there, mostly like window shopping, not really on the streets, but like this vibrant yellow, and it's not like the neon yellow that's like almost lime green. It's just a vibrant yellow. I seriously love that color right now as just like a pop with a super neutral outfit. I think it's so cute. Bold colored mismatched accessories are definitely a must this year. I love it. I saw so many maxi skirts and maxi dresses, or like midi, but just longer skirts and longer dresses. A lot of like flowier the better, and then just layering the absolute crap out of them, whether it was having like your printed maxi skirt and then like a sheer maxi skirt over top, or a sheer maxi dress over top your whole outfit, or lace with literally everything. So much lace in the layering. I loved it. Wearing your maxi skirt with like knee-high boots was definitely something I saw a lot, or like knee-high boots or moon boots. It was cute. I love maxi skirts, midi skirts, maxi dresses, midi dresses though, so I was really excited to get some inspo from that. I thought I would be seeing a lot more like mini micro skirts, and I really didn't see any, and for 2 days it was like 55 and then like 59 degrees and sunny outside. So I was like, oh, like I'm so gonna see like the micro skirt because that's like a trend this year. And I really didn't see any. I mostly saw midi and maxi. And the last trend I wanted to talk about that I saw so much were pleated skirts and just like pleats, and also like kilts, which sounds so weird, but this accordion style like pleated skirt was absolutely everywhere, whether it was like a maxi or a midi skirt, and a lot of them were plaid, and I think people are calling them kilts, but I'm not quite sure if that's what it would be called. Either way, I think they're really cute. I don't think I will personally buy one because I don't know. The pleats and the plaid is so freaking cute, and it almost feels like that mixing pattern, like you're having two different things because it's the texture and the pattern together. Again, I really like it, but I just don't think I'd wear it. It feels a little bit too fancy for me. I have like a maxi gingham skirt, and I wear that all the time in the summer, and I think if it had the pleats, it would just be a little bit too much for me to wear. But yeah, those are my hot takes from New York Fashion Week. I had so much fun. Not really. Let me re-say that. I'm such a liar. Why do I love to lie? Those are my hot takes from New York Fashion Week. If you were there or saw vlogs, TikToks, Instagram pictures, articles, whatever, let me know what you think will be trending this year from what you saw. It's so fun to hear other people's opinions because I think things that stuck out to me definitely didn't stick out to other people and vice versa. I really was looking at what I like, so I was being very biased. We will have a spring 2022 video, trend video coming very soon, and I've definitely been picking up a lot of things that I think will be trending in spring 2022. If you guys want to see my vlogs from New York Fashion Week, I can link them in the description box. You'll definitely hear a little rant and my other hot takes on New York Fashion Week and just New York and influencers. But that's it. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in a few days. Bye.